Hello student, how are you? Very good morning. Today's session we will know about photosynthesis. This topic will take it from CBSE pattern and this is a very important topic for grade 7 and so let's start we know about photosynthesis part 1. Firstly know about what is the photosynthesis. This is a photosynthesis you can see on your screen. This is a part 1. Okay, the photosynthesis already divided by me in part 4 and or 5, so here only discuss about part 1 and in this part 1 we will know about what is the meaning of photosynthesis. We know that photo means photosynthesis. We divide this is a photo means and synthesis you know that two words combined together and makes a photosynthesis. Photo means light, you know that photo means light and synthesis means combine. Synthesis means combine. Synthesis means combine. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Okay. In this process, the plants make their own food. Okay. In this process, green pigment in plant present in plant's leaf. This is called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll helps leaves to capture the energy of sunlight. The chlorophyll absorb the sunlight, and this sunlight capable or very necessary and need for photosynthesis process. So here this is a discussion about photosynthesis. In this part 1, this is a photo means light and synthesis means combine. You know that photo means light and synthesis means combine, means light. So lights in green leaf present in plants, and this is a teeny pigments present in plants. Already we will know about next video. Here only discuss about teeny pores and teeny pigment. Suppose this is a leaf. Okay, this is a teeny pigments present in leaf. This is called chlorophyll. This is a green pigment. And this green pigment help the plant absorb the sunlight, or we can say here capture the sunlight. So this is a green pigment is very necessary, and chlorophyll is very useful role and very important role play in during photosynthesis. And photo means, let's revise, photo means light and synthesis means combined. So photo means lights and synthesis means combined. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. In this process, green pigment, this is called chlorophyll, to capture the sunlight. This energy used to synthesize prepared food. Okay, and in the present form of carbohydrate in the leaf. So this process, very lengthy process, we will know about next video. Here only we will write here. Firstly draw here some plants. During this is a plant. Suppose this is a plants. You can see on your screen. This is a plant. Okay, this is a plant. Okay, green color leaves. This is a plants. Okay, here this is a plants, and this one, this one root. Okay, this is a root, and this is a plant. Okay, and here this is a sunlight. This is a sunlight. Suppose there, this one. This is a sunlight. This is a sun. Okay, here you can see on your screen, this is a sun, and this one, this is a sun. Okay, so sunlight absorbed by the green pigment. Green pigment already present in green leaves in the plants, and this green pigment only capable for absorb or capture the sun. Capture light from the sun. Okay, this sunlight is very necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, so this light used by the make a food by the plant, and synthesize the energy form of the in the form of the carbohydrate. Okay, so this is a very necessary role and important role of sunlight. Okay, and sunlight only absorbed in green pigment. This is called chlorophyll. Keep in mind, this is a green pigment present in green leaf. Here this is a green pigment present in green leaf. This is a chlorophyll. Okay, this is a chlorophyll. This is a green pigment. This is a chlorophyll. Here, this one, this is a chlorophyll, green pigment. Very important role in photosynthesis, process of photosynthesis. This is a sun. Okay, yeah, here sunlight absorbed by the leaves, absorbed by the leaves, and leaves having a teeny green pigment. This is called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll absorb the sunlight. This energy very necessary for food by made by plants. Okay, and this food present in the form of energy as a carbohydrate. Okay, so this we can write here sunlight, and this is a plant. Okay, so during this process, this is a root, and root is a absorb water and mineral from the soil. This water and mineral very necessary factor for during photosynthesis. Without these, the photosynthesis cannot possible, and this raw material, this material very necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, water and mineral absorbed by the soil. This is a soil. You can see on your screen. This is a consider that this is a soil. The plants absorb the water and mineral through roots. These penetrate inside the soil, and the function of roots, water and minerals reach the leaf, and leaves use this water and minerals for photosynthesis. Okay, so water and mineral very necessary for this process. So we can write here, and this process, during this process, this is a suppose leaf. This is a suppose leaf. Okay, this one leaf. This is a green plant. Okay, and this is a very carefully description here, and this is a root absorb water and mineral. This is a green pigment showing on your screen. Consider that this is a chlorophyll. This chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Okay, this is a leaf diagram. Okay, this is a chlorophyll, green pigment present in the leaf surface. This is a chlorophyll absorb the sunlight here. Absorb the sunlight, and during this process oxygen released into atmosphere, and carbon dioxide absorbed in the by the plant from the atmosphere. So we have to write here the oxygen release. During this process, oxygen release into atmosphere and carbon dioxide absorbed by the plant from the atmosphere. Okay, so this is a very necessary important raw material used by plant for photosynthesis. So we have to write here photo means light and synthesis means combine. You can easily note down, and all PDF and all notes available on my this video description box, and you can contact me on my email and contact with drop message in video message box. Okay, so I will provide PDF in this topic in this description box. Okay, so you can easily note down. This is a very easy language used in this topic. So photo means light and synthesis of combine. So we have to write here photosynthesis is the process. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. This is a part 1. Okay, this is a very lengthy topic, so here discuss only photosynthesis and which material required for this process, and what do you mean by photosynthesis, how can define. So you can easily find this video. Okay, so photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. And green pigment. So here, this is a green pigment, is called chlorophyll, and green pigment chlorophyll absorb sunlight. Okay, absorb sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food. This energy is used to synthesis or prepare synthesis food. Okay, synthesis food form of energy. Synthesis food from carbohydrate, from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this is a food making process. This is a very little bit description here, part 1. So let's revise again. Photosynthesis. This is a how can define photosynthesis. Firstly, know about photosynthesis. This is a word. Photo means light, and synthesis means combine. Light combine and make their food by plants, and this food present in the form of energy. This food prepared and synthesized from carbohydrate and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide absorbed by the green plants from the atmosphere, and this process release oxygen. Okay, this process release oxygen. So little bit equation here we have to write here. This one, this is a photosynthesis process here. This one, okay, you can easily note down 6 carbon dioxide and water combine together in the presence of light, sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, and this is a making of carbohydrate and oxygen. Okay, carbon dioxide and water. This is a making 6O12. Plus 6O2. Okay, this is a very clearly equation. Carbon dioxide are included 6 molecule and water has 6 molecule. Presence of sunlight combined together and form 6,6H12O6 plus oxygen release. Okay, this is a process of photosynthesis. 6,6H12, 6,6H12 and O6 and oxygen is released. So during photosynthesis, 3 oxygen release and C6H12O6 carbohydrate form in the carbohydrate make this energy and food as a carbohydrate present in the leaves made by plants during photosynthesis, and oxygen release and carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmospheric air. So we will need some factor here. Is this topic and some points noted here. This is a carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water and mineral, and carbon dioxide. This is and water mineral first and second and third. Green pigment also called as a chlorophyll. This is a green pigment. This is used by absorb sunlight. Okay, for very necessary product from use in this process as very needed in this without these products the photosynthesis process cannot possible. Okay, so this is a very necessary factor. Carbon dioxide, water and mineral, green pigment and chlorophyll, and this process, during this process, 6CO2, you can write here 6CO2, 6H2O, light, sunlight absorbed by the green pigment. Here we have to write here chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is already discussed in briefly in next video. Only know about chlorophyll. This is a green pigment present in leaf. Okay, this is a very necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, and this 6H12O6 and oxygen release. This is equation for during photosynthesis. So we will end this video here, and next topic we will know about briefly description about photosynthesis and what is the role of green pigment and water minerals, and how can absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere by the plant. So we will next video we will know about this. Is a very important topic, and this video and here this topic part 1 and here about photosynthesis. And this before this finishing this topic, I will request to all please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button for upcoming notification. Thank you very much.